In this video I will show you how to create a braided bracelet using some cord. So I will braid 7 cords using a piece of cardboard, and to create the cardboard which will help me braid, I will use some scissors and a marker. So let's begin preparing the cardboard. So as you can see, my cardboard has a hole in the middle, and I will create the points where I will cut the cardboard. Like this. And I will start numbering those points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I will take the scissors and cut each of these points. So as you can see, I have cut each of those points. And now I will begin by creating the loop of my bracelet. I will find the middle of the bracelet. And now that I have found the middle of the bracelet, I will mark the point where my loop will begin, here. And I will grab the cords and I will start creating the loop. So I will make a forward knot and then a backward knot. Then again a forward knot and a backward knot, until I will cover the whole surface of my loop. So let's begin with a forward knot, a backward knot, a forward knot, a backward knot, a forward knot, and so on. And now I will remove the clamp and create the loop. So I will take the cords, put the loop like this, and I will take the bit of cord that I had here and I will create a knot. So I will, let's see from a closer distance, I will take my cord like this, put it over the other cords and make a knot like this. And I will take the cord out through the knot like this. And I have created a knot at the basis of my loop. And now I will take, let's see from a distance, I will take the cardboard wheel. I'll put the loop through this cardboard wheel and I will start ordering my cords. So I will take each cord and put it into the cardboard wheel. Like this. So I have put the cords into this cardboard wheel. And as you can see, I have put the cords from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whereas number 8 is free. And now I will count 1, 2, and I will take the cord number 3 and put it into the point number 8 on my wheel. And this is how I will start braiding my bracelet with 7 cords. Again, I will go to the left and I will count 1, 2, and the third will be taken from its place and put into the point that is towards me. Again, I will turn the wheel around and now number 6 is towards me. So I will count to the left 1, 2 points and the third cord will be put here into the cord with the number 6. And now again, I will put number 1 towards me and I will count 2, 3 and number 4 will be taken from here and put into the number 1 point here. So let's make one more or 2 more knots like this. And now the bracelet is ready and I will remove the cords like this. I'll put the cardboard away, and in order to close this bracelet I will make a knot with one of these cords. So I will, let's see from a closer distance, I will put the black cord over the other cords like this to create a loop, and then I will put the cord through the loop and I will tighten this knot this way. Like this. And now I will grab the bracelet with the clamp, and I will create the closure of the bracelet. So I will grab these cords and start braiding. And now that I have braided the cord, I will make a knot at the end of my cord. Like this. I'll take the scissors and cut. And now I will also make a knot at this end of my braiding. Also cut this cord. And now let's remove the clamp and see the finished bracelet. So this is the finished bracelet, and in order to close the bracelet, I will just put one of those cords through the loop here, like this, and I will make a knot, like this. And this is the finished bracelet. So this is what the bracelet looks like on the wrist. And this is what the bracelet looks like when it is closed with the cords. So this is how you create a bracelet using 7 cords in different colors.